Welcome to Raji's Cooking Show. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video so everyone can benefit and live a healthy life. Also, don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you for your support. Hello all you lovely people. Today we are making a healthy chocolate butter dessert that is creamy, rich and guilt-free. Here are our fresh and wholesome ingredients and the calorie chart. Portion control is very important. Start by preparing your ingredients. Soft, sweet dates are the key to natural sweetness. Add everything into a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Transfer the mixture into a freezer-safe container and fill it to the max line. Freeze this for 24 hours for the perfect texture. Add your favorite toppings like peanuts or extra nut butter and enjoy. This is rich, creamy, and made with wholesome ingredients. Your perfect guilt-free dessert. This dessert tastes indulgent but is made with simple, healthy ingredients you already have at home.